Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. I'm sure most of us are aware that Hindustan Aeronautics is working on a 25 kN turbofan engine, which is also known as HTFE25, where HTFE stands for Hindustan Turbofan Engine. These engines can be used in a single engine trainer jets, business jets, and unmanned aerial vehicles which weigh up to 5 tons. Not just that, these engines can also be used in twin engine configuration for aircrafts weighing up to 9 tons as well. The reason why I'm suddenly speaking about this engine is due to the recent news from defense sources regarding HAL's interest to develop a new engine for the aging Jaguar fighter fleet. In one of my previous videos, I already updated the Hindustan Aeronautics has kicked off a crucial development test for a jet trainer that was planned as a replacement for Indian Air Force aging Kiran aircraft's fleet. The intermediate jet trainer which is being tested is the HAL Sitara or HJT-36. Once all spin tests are completed, it is stated that the new 25 kN engine which is in development would be used to power these intermediate jet trainer, but nothing is confirmed for now. Coming back to the topic of new engines for Jaguar fighters, as per HAL, they are looking for the funding to come from Indian Air Force side for the development of HTFE40, which is a 40 kN thrust turbofan engine. HAL have assured that the funding which would be coming from Indian Air Force would be used for the development of the new engine for the underpowered Jaguar strike aircrafts. The Jaguar is an attack aircraft originally used by British Royal Air Force and French Air Force in the close air support and nuclear strike role. It is still in service in upgraded form with the Indian Air Force. As the aircraft aged, the avionics were viewed as lacking suitable components for the ground attack mission, such as terrain following radar, GPS navigation, or modern night flight systems. Consequently, several upgrades were carried out in mid-1990s, including the addition of a new targeting pod. Now the time has come to upgrade the engines, and that's the reason HAL has proposed the request for funding. As of now, these Jaguar fighters are powered with two Rolls-Royce Turbomeca Adore afterburning turbofan engines with 22.75 kN thrust dry and 32.5 kN thrust with afterburner. Looks like Indian Air Force plans to keep these Jaguar fighters in service till 2034 to 2040 tentatively. The Indian Air Force is in plan to upgrade the majority of Jaguars as part of the upgrade program called Darin 3. Darin 3 upgrade would feature modified avionics architecture, a new cockpit with dual SMD, a solid-state flight data recorder, and a solid-state video recording system. Not just that, it will also have an autopilot system, the integration of new multimode radar on these Jaguar fighters. The Darin 3 upgrade will cause additional weight problems due to the addition of new avionics and radar, resulting in it becoming underpowered. So obviously a new engine upgrade would help these fighters to perform well. Due to the underpowered Rolls-Royce Adore engines, the aircraft is unable to perform at optimal operational levels in hot, humid conditions of India, and the aircraft is also facing spare issues from the OEM. Even if funding is provided by Indian Air Force, the development and testing of these HTFE40 turbofan engine could require at least 5 years, as DRDO is currently busy working on the thrust class turbofan engine for India's Ghatak unmanned combat aerial vehicle. According to me as well, India should really look for upgrading the engines for Jaguar fleets to make sure the performance of such nice powerful fighters are extended. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. And also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.